Okay, so now to start sweeping the room for a camera using the laser finder, I'm going to first turn on the unit. And I just barely turn it on. I don't need to hear the noise. If I turn it up too loud, you hear the noise. Then I push the button for the laser light. As you can see, it's flashing fast. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up to my eye and start slowly sweeping the room. And what you want to do is you want to stay on par with where you think the camera is, on eye level or side to side. If you look at too much of an angle over there, you're not going to see it. You want to be looking straight at it. So you want to walk around the room like this, kneel up and down if you need to. And then I can see a camera right there. It's in that picture frame. And then you continue going around the room, same thing. You just sweep up and down all the way around the room until you've got everything covered. Okay, so now I'm going to sweep the room for wireless transmitting devices. Now we're going to turn the unit on. So you can see here, you're going to turn it all the way up till it goes to the red and there's beeping. Then you're going to back it off slowly until that needle goes down to the green and you stop beeping. You just barely want to do it till it stops. All right, so now to sweep the room, you're literally just going to walk around the room. You go up and down. Get closer to the walls. If you see the needle start going up like that, there may be something over there. So you want to check it out. Go closer. It could also just be random Wi-Fi signals from your neighbors or your own Wi-Fi if you haven't turned it off. Okay, so I'm sweeping around the room. Starting to hear something over here. Okay, as you can see, it feels like there's something over here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the sensitivity down just a little more, and it should bring me in closer to whatever it is. Okay, so looks like we have a wireless transmitter in this device right here, which I know it is because I placed it there. It's a Wi-Fi camera, and that's it. But in a nutshell, that's what you do. You just take your time, you walk around the room, you sweep, and you adjust the sensitivity as you need to get closer and closer to the item. Okay, next we're going to check, we're going to search for a GPS on a vehicle. First thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the device on, just barely on, you don't need to hear all the beeping. And then the middle button is the magnet. You also want to make sure that you have the magnetic probe connected to the unit that came with it. All right, so now I'm going to press the magnet button. See the red light come on showing that it's on. What you want to do with this is you want to sweep. It will not go through metal. So you add it up inside the vehicle, underneath it, however you got to do it, and you stick the probe up in it. Now when it comes close to a magnet, it's going to beep and a light will come on and show you. You can hear that? There's a magnet in there. It doesn't mean it's a GPS, but there's a magnet, so I need to look at it. All right. There's the GPS unit that I obviously placed in there. As you can see, this light, it's purple. When you get close to a magnet, it turns white and it beeps, pointing out where the magnet is.